How to know who has screenshotted your story. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can see who has screenshotted your story. So I'll be showing you if you could see that in this video. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Now, first of all, I have created a story here on my Instagram. So you can see here, this is my story. Now I'm going to go ahead and go to my alt account here, and I'm going to go ahead and view my story. So all I have to do is just search up the name of my account here, and I'm going to go ahead and click on the story. Now you can see here, this is the same story that I had on the other account. So all I'm going to go ahead and do here is screenshot really quick. You can see I went ahead and screenshotted it. So now we're going to go ahead and go back to my other account, and we're going to go ahead and see if that is possible to see. So you can see here, this is the story. I'm going to go ahead and click activity at the bottom left hand corner, and you cannot see here that if they screenshotted it. So basically you cannot see that whatsoever. You can't see who has screenshotted your Instagram story. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys until next time.